Who doesn't like fancy and personalized cushions? But did you know you can easily make one yourself? In the last video, I showed you how to make a letter pillow. So today let's learn how to make a donut pillow and also decorate it. Hey guys, this is Jonita at Procrastinator's Hive. Hope you all are doing well. To make this cushion, you need fabric in two different colors. I've also taken few other colors to make the sprinkles for the donut. Cut a circle with a diameter of 13.5 inches. Alter the size according to your choice. The inner circle is about 4 inches in diameter. Now fold the fabric and trace a circle. Now secure the fabric with pins so it doesn't move. Helps in cutting, you see. After you trace the circle, give about half a quarter-inch seam allowance on both inner and outer circle. It's now time to glaze a donut. What say you? I'm using a brown felt fabric to make the chocolate glaze. Any kind of fabric is absolutely okay as long as the ends are sewn well. Hey, any of you guys are new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet? Then please do subscribe and press the bell button so you don't miss the upcoming videos. For all those who are here for the first time, Procrastinator's Hive is all about DIY, home decor and crafty little things. Now this felt that I have got here came in A4 size. Not the ideal kind to cut one big piece like this. So I had to sew it together and cut it out. I cut some sprinkles out from 4 different felt fabrics. You can opt for acrylic fabric outliners instead and draw the sprinkles. For sticking, of course, you'll need fabric glue. I'm using fast and tacky fabric glue from Fevicryl Hobby Ideas. It's always good to pin both fabrics together before stitching. Stitch around the inner and outer edge. I prefer hand stitching it before using the sewing machine. Remember to take the hand stitching out before the permanent stitching is done. Let's place the other circle on top of this and sew it together. Make sure the right side of both the fabrics are facing each other and leave about 4 inches open to fill the cotton. Stitch only the outer circle. If you noticed, I gave slits around the circles. It makes the fabric look neat when you turn it out. Tuck the fabric of the inner circle in and stitch it together. You can either stitch it the way I'm showing, or you can give a blanket stitch instead. Lastly, fill enough cotton for the donut to hold its shape. And close the opening by stitching it together. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you'd like to share your thoughts on this video.
Subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. And if you like it, then give thumbs up. Bye bye.